Okay, so it's my birthday tomorrow. I'll be 18. Technically I'll be 18 at 21 minutes past midnight, I think it is. 21 or 22 tonight. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping it's fun. I'm probably more looking forward to going out on the night and then going out on Saturday. I'm gonna do a little quick vlog tomorrow, just, well, kind of like I am today, just to like kind of, I don't know, show you what I'm getting up to, show you the tent, show you the cake, all the important stuff. Yeah. Also, Sam, I'm very sorry, but I don't know how to reply to comments on YouTube yet, because I'm a bit silly and I can't really work technology that well. I don't know how I manage with an iPod, to be quite honest. I can barely get my phone to work. So yeah, I'm not purposely ignoring you when you comment on these. I just kind of don't know how to reply to them. But I appreciate the "you're not boring" one, and well, I appreciate all of them because I appreciate you and I love you, and I appreciate Ali and I love Ali. And I think Ali was a bit upset last night, but I was like, I wasn't on Twitter or anything, so I didn't realise until she mentioned me in a tweet. So I hope you're feeling a bit better this morning. But if, you know, just try and look forward to the fact that we're going to see each other again in September. And, you know, we have phones and we have Twitter and everything, and I still need your address because my all-time low stationery has shipped, so it should be here next week. So I need you to send me your address so that I can write you a letter on all-time low paper. Ooh, magical imagination. Yeah. My brother's coming up the stairs. Nick, would you like to join me on a vlog for my friends?
No.
Oh. Okay. He didn't want to join me.
Mother asked you to
I tried to... What? Oh. I tidied my room especially for tomorrow, because I'm having my friend Hannah and my friend Laura come round. I've got a bit of a cold. A cold is not a good thing to have in the middle of August, when it's your birthday and when you've got a nose piercing. It's awful because I keep going to blow my nose or to wipe it or whatever with a piece of tissue, and then I'm like, ow. I mean, they said, like, you can't pick at it or play with it or anything, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure I've done all that in the time that I've had it, which is almost 2 weeks, which means it's almost 2 weeks since I got it with Sam and Ali, and they held my hands. I still can't believe I had it done, but I'm happy that I had it done with you two there. It was a rather entertaining day on the Duck Marine. I'm gonna make brownies for everyone, because I don't have enough for the flapjacks, because I think I used the majority of the stuff for the flapjacks on salmonelli. But they were good flapjacks. They were good flapjacks with the Smirnoff. Yeah. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to let you guys know what's happening with my birthday, and that I hope Ali sorry. I hope Ali that you're feeling better about everything, because I don't want any of you to upset, because you're my best friends and I can't have my best friends upset. It's just not a nice thought. I wanted to let you know that I was watching MTV Unplugged, and Weightless came on, the acoustic one, and I don't know why, it was the bit when it went, maybe it's not my weekend but it's going to be my year, and I kind of started thinking about how the year started off awful. Like, I know, I mean, it started off with an all-time low concert, which was pretty good, but then it was just awful. Like, you know, the depression got worse, I had to go to counselling, and I was just thinking about how kind of hard all that was, but I found All Time Low, and their music was there for me when it mattered. And then I thought, well, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have met Sam and Ali. So it is my year. It is my year because it's a good year. Because of All Time Low, I got to meet my best friends, and it just made me cry, because, you know, I love you guys so much, and it's kind of weird since we've only been talking since, like, well, I've only been talking to Ali since about February, March, kind of, that sort of time, and Sam, it was a while later, maybe a couple of months. But it's gonna be really cheesy when I say this, but you two are honestly the only people I feel like I can really smile with and be myself with. And I just wanted to thank you guys for that, and thanks to All Time Low for letting me meet you guys, because, you know, it's definitely changed my life for the better. Yeah. I think that's it for today. Because if I keep going, I'm going to actually get really emotional about blooming Weightless acoustic. Okay, yeah. Have a good day, I'll speak to you tomorrow.